All right, today I have a Volkswagen Tiguan, and I'm just going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. I'm going to make it really brief for you, all right? But before we get started, if you find my video helpful at all, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thanks a lot. All right, so we're going to go through this, and I'm going to go from the around in circles, okay? So right here, we're going to start at the top. This is for the heated seats. Right now it's on high. It's actually toasting my B high. All right, and now you can turn it off by simply pressing that. It goes to medium, goes to that, goes to low, and then goes to off. All right, right here is windshield defrost right here. You see the selection right here. If I do that, it turns that off. Right here is directional, blows the air at my face. All right, and right here is the blows the air at my feet. Turn that off and then turn it back on. And this right here recirculates the air in the vehicle. And here is the passenger side heated seats right here. All right, turn that off. All right, now we're down here. All right, we're gonna start over here, right? Back over here. This right here is the temperature control. If I go right, it turns it warmer. If I go left, it makes it cooler. All right, this right here is the max AC button. This is the rear window defrost. All right. And this is the off button, turns everything off. Okay, pretty cool. There's an auto feature that works. If you press this, it automatically adjusts. And then this right here is the fan speed right here. You can control the fan speed, pretty cool. All right, next is the sync button. So say for instance, all right, right here you have the temperature. You see it's 66 something high. And then the passenger wants a different temperature. All right, you can have different temperatures. Or if you want them both to be the same, just go down here, press this sync button, and both temperatures are the same. All right, the sync, they're both the same. Look at that. All right, pretty cool. Let me know if you have any questions.